Hi there, everyone. My name is Fred. I just graduated from 8th grade, and I am going to Sunset High School this fall. With everything all crazy the way that it's been, my mom thinks it would help if maybe I went to something called 8.5. And I don't know anything about 8.5 at Sunset High School, so I'm wondering if you could tell me something about 8.5.
Hello, future Apollos. My name is Miss Miller. I'm the summer school coordinator this year, and I wanted to make sure that you had a chance to hear what 8.5 is all about and get some answers to some common questions that people usually have. So the first thing I want you to know is kind of what's it all about. So this summer students have a chance to transition into 9th grade by meeting some people in advance in their cohort, some other students, by meeting some teachers in advance and getting to know them and getting a preview of what the curriculum is all about, getting a chance to kind of see Sunset or know what it means to be an Apollo, getting a chance to preview some and participate in some career education credit, which is required for graduation. And for all of this, for participation, you have a chance to earn 0.5 credit of elective credit, which will apply towards your high school diploma.
Thank you, Miss Miller. That helps. But I would still like to know a little bit more, I think. My first question is, what exactly am I going to learn in 8.5?
Hi, my name is Mr. Highfield, and I have the privilege of being one of your 8.5 teachers this summer in summer school. And we'll have a lot to learn in 8.5. We'll be looking at some basic concepts in social studies, English, science, and math. But we'll also be talking to a lot of people at Sunset. For example, administrators, other teachers, counselors, people who are going to help you be successful. Lastly, we'll be working our best to use a lot of technology, a lot of tools to help you be successful at Sunset next fall. Our goal is to be engaging, interesting, and help you be successful next year at Sunset. Look forward to seeing you.
Thank you, Mr. Highfield. That tells me a lot about what I will be doing this summer. But sometimes I get along with my teachers, and sometimes I don't. So I would like to know a little bit more about my teachers. And I think Mr. Highfield is one of my teachers, but are there any others?
Good morning, future Apollos. I'm Dr. Hampton, and Mr. Highfield and I will be the main teachers for your 8.5 experience this summer. But because Sunset High School has so many great teachers, we're going to bring in a whole lot of other teachers. So you'll get to meet math teachers and lit comp teachers, that's your English class, other social studies teachers, maybe a PE teacher, a computer teacher. We have so many different classes and so many different teachers. Don't miss this opportunity to meet all of the different teachers that you might have during your freshman year.
Thank you, Dr. Hampton. That helps me know more about my teachers. But now my next question is that I'm wondering if it will really make that big a difference for me in my freshman year. I got along okay in 8th grade, And so do I really need 8.5? Is it really going to help me get through high school and graduate?
If you decide to sign up for 8.5, Dr. Hampton and I guarantee you that it will make a big difference for you in your freshman year. Our past groups of students have come back to us and told us how important it was that they were exposed to people, to tools, to concepts, and how it made their first months at Sunset so much easier because they knew what was going on in their classes and organizational tools that were needed and how Sunset worked. So we're looking forward to seeing you, and we know that if you do decide to sign up for 8.5, that it will make a big difference for you next year.
That is helpful for me, Mr. Highfield. Thank you. But when I think about my last 3 months, sitting at home with my computer, doing remote learning, and not seeing my friends, it was boring. And I am wondering why I should do this again for another month during my summer vacation. Is it really going to help, and will it be fun?
That is a great question, Fred. The last 3 months have been crazy and really, really hard for a lot of students. But this summer, during 8.5, Mr. Highfield and I are going to change up what we usually do to help prepare you for what might be going to happen this fall. None of us know how much students will be in the school and how much teaching will be done remote. But what we know is that we can help you by giving you more tools and more information so that you can better use your computer, use the software better, find new and better ways to contact your teachers to get help from other places within Sunset High School, to get a hold of Mr. Highfield and I, because we are always happy to help you. How can you get a hold of your friends better so that you can work together in groups, which is something that college students do. So we are looking forward to helping you this summer to figure out all these wonderful new ways that you can do better, and you're going to know things coming out of 8.5 that other freshmen won't know.
That was great to know. Thank you. I think from all you have told me, I think 8.5 would be a great place to spend time during the summer. I get to meet teachers, I get to see what's going to happen during my freshman year, and I get lots of help so that I can be successful in my freshman year. But I have one last question for Miss Miller. How much does 8.5 cost? And do I get anything like lunch?
The cost for the program is $50, and if you're on free and reduced lunch, it's $25. This year we also have at Sunset, we have free breakfast and free lunch, which is available between 11 and 12 for pickup. If you have any other questions, you can always email us and ask them, and we'll get right back to you. And we hope that you are considering being a part of this Future Apollos program. We would love to work with you. Thanks.
Wow, this is really cool. I got all the information I need now to know that I want to go to 8.5 this summer. Because if I go to 8.5, I will really be ready for my freshman year. I'll be there. I hope to see you there too.